Ever pondered about the purpose of life? Ever wondered why you are here? It's a profound question, one that has puzzled philosophers, spiritual leaders, and curious minds alike for centuries. It's a question that invites us to delve deep into the core of our existence, to question our place in this vast universe. The sheer depth of this question often leads to a myriad of answers, each shaped by personal beliefs, experiences, and perspectives. Some believe it's about personal fulfillment, others suggest it's about contributing to society or the betterment of others. Yet, others argue it's about achieving a state of spiritual enlightenment. But despite the multitude of answers, a common thread seems to weave through them. An answer that resonates with many, regardless of their individual beliefs or philosophy. And that answer is this. While the answer may vary, one common thread emerges. We are here to help each other and leave behind a positive legacy. In this vast universe, we are not alone. We are interconnected beings sharing this planet. Our existence is entwined with others like threads in a rich tapestry of life. Our actions, our words, our thoughts, they carry weight, they matter. They have the capacity to uplift, to inspire, to heal, and to transform. The magic of compassion, kindness, and empathy lies in their power to create connections, to bridge gaps of misunderstanding, and to foster a sense of shared humanity. These are not just virtues to be practiced in isolation, but essential tools that can shape our collective journey. Imagine the potential of a single act of kindness, rippling out, touching lives, changing hearts. Every gesture, every word, every decision we make can set off a chain reaction of positivity and change. It's a profound realization, isn't it? That we hold this power within us? That's the beauty of interconnectedness. Our actions have the power to create a ripple effect of positivity and change. Our purpose in life extends to leaving behind a legacy that benefits future generations. When we speak of legacy, we're not just talking about material possessions or personal accolades. We're referring to a legacy of values, of sustainable practices, and of conscious living that we pass on to the next generation. As stewards of this planet, we have a responsibility to care for it, to protect its resources, and to ensure its beauty endures. By choosing to live sustainably, we're not only preserving our world for our children, but for their children and those to come. Then there's the legacy we leave in the hearts and minds of the younger generation. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we're fostering a cycle of positive change. We're instilling values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility, molding them into individuals who will continue to uplift others and protect our planet. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime. Our purpose in life extends beyond human beings. We have a responsibility to care for all creatures that share this planet with us. This means more than just the pets in our homes or the birds in our gardens. It extends to the tiniest insect, the mightiest elephant, and every creature in between. Each has its own role in the grand tapestry of life, contributing to the delicate balance of our shared ecosystem. Our actions, no matter how small, can have a profound impact. By choosing to act mindfully, we can contribute to the overall well-being of our planet. This might mean recycling, conserving water, or simply choosing not to harm a spider in our home. Every act of kindness towards our fellow creatures sends ripples of positivity across our world. By embracing this purpose, we can lead a life of compassion, empathy, and service, making a positive impact on the world and leaving behind a better place for future generations.